Yo, it feels so good to have you back on this channel. This is Footies. Welcome back. If you are just waiting for the first time, please do it to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification. Today we are making it really short and quick. Okay, I'm taking you to the process of how to fix your Brogues, the quarter area alongside with the VAM area. So let's see what we have here. Okay, we have our lining. As you already know, our lining is being cut out with alongside with the with the vamp area, and we applied our gum to it. If you don't know how we do that, you can go back to our previous video and see how it is done. Okay, here we have our quarter area as well. We applied gum to the necessary area in which we are going to apply our gum on, our vamp on it, vamp and the upper area. So after applying gum, we move to the next step, whereby we fix our vamp alongside our vamp and upper area. After sewing it together, we fix it alongside with the quarter area. As you can see, it's always have a process of fixing. Like I said, if you mix a process in shoemaking, you're definitely going to have it wrong, get it wrong. Yeah, so as this is a wing tip Brogues, the wing of the wing tip of the Brogues indicates the area, the middle side, the middle area in which we are going to place on, how we are going to place our Brogues, our vamp area alongside with the quarter area. As you can see, the wing tip indicates, it signifies the W, the point at the wing. It makes it easier for us to locate the middle of the where we are going to place our vamp alongside with the quarter. So after applying that, we applied we fixed our lining alongside with the area in which we joined together. As you can see, it's kind of same thing with the way we the fixing of Chelsea boot and Brogues. It's kind of the same thing. While fixing of Derby boot and Oxford, it's different from the way we fix our Brogues, irrespective of the lace up design. So the way we fix our Brogues is different from the way we fix our Derby and our Oxford shoe. So that's about that. After fixing, we try to to balance the leather on the lining, and we do the necessary thing. We sew. We size our shoe. After doing that, we sew, and we have our results. That's on today's video. Thank you very much for staying tuned. Please, if you are just waiting for the first time, please do it to like, subscribe, turn on post notification. Don't forget to share to your people as well, and also you can join our Telegram channel for tips on how to do some little tips on shoe. Yeah, and also if you want to be part of the business, or if you want to buy from us, or you want to be a reseller, you can hit us up on all our social media platforms at b.footies. Thank you very much for staying tuned. See you guys next time.